This 2026 Grand Design Solitude 414LJMJ is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, microwave, refrigerator, LP detector, stovetop burner, smoke detector, spare tire kit, awning, air conditioning, TV, and 83 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Solitude 414LJMJ is 19,000 pounds. This 2026 Grand Design Solitude 414LJMJ. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.